If you want to convert your video to old monitor, CRT monitor, you can drag and drop this effect on your video and convert it to CRT monitor. You can assign the wrap, so like old monitors. These are scan lines. You can see you can change the scan line brightness here. These are scan line. You can see. You can change spacing of them. You can change vignetting intensity at the corner, vignetting shape. You can change corner radius here also, brightness, overall brightness, and chromatic shift. I will be explaining more in animation, but in Camtasia, you can animate everything, every settings. Going to the animation, going to the animation tab, custom animation, drag and drop it animation. These handles will be pop up. I will show you more, don't worry. Going in this part and chromatic shift, something like that. It is store. Here. And from here to here, we have an animation for chromatic shift. So you can see, look at here, from here to here. Look at this. This slide, this handle will be changing. You can see that. You can see this handle going in this part. Boom. You can see here. So you can animate everything, every setting in Camtasia. We will show you more in animation. You can delete it. You can move it any part that you want. So using in Camtasia, everything is easy.